the respective senators' offices. Maraming salamat sa inyong tahimik pero mahalagang papel sa ating araw-araw na trabaho. Hindi magiging maayos at makabuluhan ang aming paglilingkod kung wala ang inyong sipag, tiyaga, and professionalism. To my staff and team, thank you for standing by me every step of the way. To the incoming and remaining senators, we live in complex time. Fake news and malicious narrative now easily damage reputations and erode public trust. And while some say this is all part of the job, it should not be. Let us remain anchored on the truth. Let us rise above the noise. Let us protect not just ourselves, but the very institution we serve. In this chamber, you fondly call me Mama Bear, a simple moniker, but one I took to heart. To be Mama Bear meant being fiercely protective, genuinely caring, and always dependable. I saw it as a gesture of trust and respect, and a reminder to always show up, give my best, and look out for those around me. My term may be ending, but my commitment to public service remains. Hindi po natatapos ang paglilikod sa pagtatapos ng termino. Sa halip ito ay simula ng panibagong paraan na makabuluhang ambag sa bayan. Salamat, Panginoon, sa biyaya ng pagkakataong makapaglingkod. Salamat sa aking mga kasamahan, sa mga kawani ng Senado, pati na rin ang iba't ibang sangay ng gobyerno na nakatrabaho at nakasalamuhan natin. At higit sa lahat, sa ating mga kababayan, sa kanilang tiwala at patuloy na inspiration. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Oh, mahal ka namin.
Session suspended.